Okay, so let's actually go over some of the new features that are available with SIS. SIS has a major update that's been released, and so I'm going to connect an Aeries SIS integration. The reason why is because Aeries is a great SIS to use. A lot of our features are actually derivative of the Aeries integration, and so what I basically mean is that a lot of the features that we developed are made because of all the data that Aeries provides. And also, Aeries has a public test server that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and select Aeries and just confirm. And you'll see that these new fields open up to provide the Aeries certificate and Aeries endpoint. It changes though if I select Powerschool. You see Powerschool has a client ID, a client secret, and an endpoint, and Skyward as well. Skyward has a bunch of different options like the client key, client secret, the endpoint, and Skyward has many different types of APIs to use, one of which is called the LMS. So Skyward by default has the one roster API, and that provides a good amount of data um, that allow for services like importing contacts and sending out basic alerts. However, the LMS API allows for improved features. So you'll find that the more data that we're able to collect, the more features that we're able to use, and the features get improved as well, the more data that we're able to collect. So you'll see things like with LMS, you'll see improved importing, better targeting for sending out alerts, and Skyward by default does not provide sending out the data for sending out attendance calls. It doesn't provide attendance markings or which students were actually absent for the day. But there is an additional API that Skyward offers called cumulative or something along those lines. It's like QMLATIV. And so yes, Skyward does offer the cumulative attendance API. If you do have that option, go ahead and check that off, and then you'll find that you'll be able to send out attendance calls through Skyward. But I'm gonna connect Aeries, and I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the Aeries security and API security, and create a new record. So with Aeries, we do want to trigger or toggle a couple of different options. I'm trying to remember them off the top of my head. Teacher data, staff data, and users. Okay, great. I think that's everything. If I missed anything, it'll tell me. But I'll need this certificate here. There we go. Copy that and paste that there. And then this is the endpoint at the top. And I'm gonna need a forward slash under that. Okay, so like I mentioned before, if you miss anything in this option and something is required, it'll tell you like, you need this permission, this read permission or whatever, to utilize that particular feature. But I'm gonna go ahead and save changes and just give a refresh. Okay, so now SIS integration, I have Aeries connected, and you'll see another tab at the top that says send Aeries alert. So that's how we get our SIS connected.